Negro does not need a home. He can sleep under a tree. Well, not only is this absolutely fictitious, but he forgot to mention the fact that brick and concrete trees, known to most people as houses, are costing thousands, millions of dollars of the white taxpayers' money annually.
What did you say? I didn't get the point. Said what houses?
Well, you see, this journalist said that Dr.
Yes,
Milan...
I got that point. You say what houses costing the government millions of dollars?
I
what
said
houses?
Concrete and brick and cement houses for the Bantu peoples.
But these are the Bantus that are working for you in the factories. How did you get the money? They got the money, they mined the gold, got the gold, and you sold the gold outside. You got the money and you say the money is yours.
Of course
you
it
can't
is.
do that's a contradiction,
Look,
please.
we came along. We bought the machinery. We developed the mines.
From where did you get the machinery from the mines in Johannesburg? Do you own the
No,
mines?
we got
Who
our
worked the
machinery.
mines?
We got our machinery from Great Britain.
Who
From
worked-
the money that was picked, what was got with the diamonds and
How did you get the diamonds out of the ground?
No native labor there.
How did
Boniface.
you get the diamonds out of the ground?
They weren't dug out of the ground. They were alluvial diamonds. No native labor there, my boy.
What do the natives do? You know what, Suzanne, what's one point you must get right down to the crux of the matter, is that in this country, the Africans are really the backbone of your economy. And it is one of that cases where you get this question of man's inhumanity to man. And every day you come here to complain about misrepresentation in the American press. In the actual matter of fact, the American press is giving a fairly good view of the whole situation because they have a color problem themselves.
Have you been to South Africa?
I wouldn't even pay a penny to go there.
Well, then, how can you talk? How can you talk?
Because I have the facts. People come in there, get every people, no means of living. How can I go there? I want a house, I want a home, I want position in society.
Well, look, they're getting it. They're getting exactly what they want.
IBO means human beings. IBO, the Bantu, Sele, Chineke, the Igbo, the Avarata, Iwa Chineke, the Igbo, Orata, Hadi, Mini, God. Ada means order. Feast, that is Chineke, the Imbo. Ada na feast. Adam be me, Chineke. The feast. Adam na also. Adam means had him. Abata. Ada also means eldest. It represents Iwa Chineke, the Okpara of Chineke. There's nothing like Adam and Eve, but Igbo, Chineke, the creator, the first, the Manu, the Eni, Igwe, the Allah, He, Chineke, also created Ata, the Nwa Chineke, family, now female. Family means formally male. That one na Papa Chineke